Let's talk about estate planning and how you can earn $150 per appointment as a notary. Estate planning is the process of arranging and preparing documents for the distribution of a person's assets and property, including how and who receives these assets. Your role as a notary is to assist estate planners, usually attorneys, with the process and notarize documents as needed. Some of the common documents include advance directive, power of attorney, deeds, wills, and trusts. Assisting estate planners can earn you a minimum of $70 for your services, plus your notarial and travel fees. You can charge a travel fee to deliver the legal documents based on distance and what is agreed upon between you and your client. On average, an estate package may require 9 notarizations, which could potentially earn you an additional $75 on top of your service and travel fees in minutes. Estate planning appointments are scheduled in advance and can provide you with hundreds of money-making opportunities in 1 month. Assisting estate planning attorneys can increase your revenue and diversify your notary business. To learn more about how you can make money assisting with estate planning and how to market to estate planning attorneys, click the link below.